Hey guys, and welcome back to Show Me 105. Today we're going to be doing a little practicing before the Smoky Mountain Indoor Series. We should be racing this weekend. Jake's going to be up here in a little bit. I don't know why I'm practicing because I'm not even racing. Dillon's racing. I'm just working on his quad for him and make sure everything's tuned in properly. So without further ado, let's get to riding. My goodness, deer everywhere. So this thing seems to be turning like on a dime. I'm not sure if that's the adjustment we have on our tie rod ends, or if it's the A-arms. They're not adjusted properly. But this thing, I feel like it's all over the place. But I mean, it's got a good turning radius. I don't know, maybe I'm just used to riding a Banshee. Maybe. Oh. And his brakes don't work very well at all, which I think they might be new pads, so I don't think they're broke in yet. Which, this is probably not a good place to try that theory. Think, but yeah, just gotta be careful. We also just installed a new hot cam on this thing. It's the Stage 2. Gives you that little extra torque. We got a lot of rain last night, as you can see. This trail is completely washed out. Man, look at that. The water hit so hard through here, it washed these logs out of the road. That's nuts. Look at it. I don't know if you've ever seen us cross the creek before or not, but usually it's a lot lower than that. That would pretty much take this quad down the creek with it. And it's muddy as well. I might try to slide around that. That was actually kind of fun. Alright, I got my fix for that. Back through and try to fix all of this, which is going to be a great pain. Honestly, I need to come down through here with some rock, fix it properly. Also, I need to ditch it out. I feel like that would probably be the best help if I made like a ditch system through here. Which the ground's so tough through here to dig up with all the tree roots without actual oh crap, equipment. It's hard to man, I am sideways now. Well, this isn't going very well. Where's your reverse at, Dillon? It'd be nice to know that right about now. Okay, we're just gonna have to get off. Stupid tree limbs. Yeah, that's good for it. Look at that. That's HMF advertised right there. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the ad in the magazine, but it's got the same kind of appearance. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I guess we are going out the other way once I get out of this mess. So this is a result of well, pretty much flooding in this area. Like I said, I didn't get an exact number of how many inches it rained last night, but it's pretty apparent that it was a lot. Go about this because I don't want to sink his quad up. Here's a view from the other side. This is Dillon's quad, it ain't mine. And I'd rather not ruin his four-wheeler that he spent a lot of money upgrading. Now you may not be able to recognize it, but this used to be Mikey's quad. The red ones we took on in prior adventures. You guys may or may not recognize it. Yeah. I say most likely that's probably at least a foot or two deep, which we can maybe find a stick here and tell. Probably round about yay deep. So definitely not going into that. But okay, I think I am done riding for right now, and I'm gonna wait till Jake shows up. So we'll pick it back up when he gets to my house. There. Kick her over. We got him. Hey, you got the gas off for one.
Thought it was on.
No. Might run better now. It might run better now. It's all right. Huh?
They want the shift right.
What do you mean?
It ain't want to go in like fourth, fifth.
Dude, it's shifting fine the other day. I rode it all day.
Unless you want it. Unless you try it out.
Oh, by God, I'll do it.
Do it, do it.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
I just wanted to ride this.
This is James. Everybody welcome James. Howdy. Put this on. Weak. Yeah, he didn't get no air though. You didn't get no air though.
Oh, I'm just getting a feel for it.
Getting it, son.
See? Let me tell you, my plan is I ain't gonna jump the mother and I'll still win.
You just plan on being fast.
Yeah. You gotta jump fast.
We got brand new ones.
Yeah, they're a little slick, James.
That's right.
Teabag. Alright, so we had to do a vehicle change. The wire to a Dillon solenoid kind of up. can't take me off this bike. It pretty much is. So the Banshee's got a grinding now noise coming from it. So there goes our little race endeavor. But today it's been a mess. But we appreciate you watching and sign us out, guys. Say so.
Bye.
Trey, do it, dude.
Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it.
All right, we'll catch y'all later.